Does Sharp TV have AirPlay? Some Sharp Smart TVs support AirPlay, but the availability depends on the TV model and operating system. Sharp Android TV and Roku TV models may not have built-in Apple AirPlay, but certain newer Sharp Roku TVs include AirPlay 2 support. Older Aquos Net Plus models do not support AirPlay. 1. How to check if your Sharp TV supports AirPlay. Step 1. Press the Home button on your Sharp TV remote. Step 2. Navigate to Settings, then go to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, only available on supported models. Step 3. If the option is available, turn on AirPlay. Step 4. If AirPlay is not listed, your TV does not have built-in AirPlay, and you will need alternative methods. 2. How to use AirPlay on a Sharp TV. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. Step 2. Open Control Center on your Apple device. Step 3. Tap Screen Mirroring and select your Sharp TV from the list. Step 4. Enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV screen if prompted. Step 5. Your Apple device's screen will now be mirrored to the TV. 3. What to do if Sharp TV does not support AirPlay. If your Sharp TV does not have built-in AirPlay, you can still mirror content using Apple TV. Connect an Apple TV device to enable full AirPlay support. Third-party apps like AirBeam TV or a Power Mirror, can allow screen mirroring. Chromecast. Cast content from Apple devices using Google Home. HDMI adapter. Use a Lightning to HDMI adapter to mirror your screen directly. 4. AirPlay features available on Sharp TVs. Screen mirroring. Cast your Apple device's entire screen. Streaming. Play videos, music, and photos from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Multi-room audio. If the TV supports AirPlay 2, it can sync with HomePods or other AirPlay speakers. 5. Troubleshooting AirPlay issues on Sharp TVs. TV not appearing. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Connection fails. Restart the TV and Apple device, then try again. Audio but no video. Update the TV's firmware and check AirPlay settings. Some Sharp Smart TVs, especially Roku-based models, support AirPlay, while Android TV and AQUO's Net Plus models generally do not. If AirPlay is unavailable, Apple TV, third-party apps, or wired connections can provide an alternative for streaming content.